2 hands, freestyle. The line is hot with 6 rounds, load them up.
Big guy. Left, Tony.
What's the time?
Oh, the big
12 seconds. 6 rounds, 12 seconds on the big guy. Ready on the left, ready on the right. Ready on the firing line, 6 and 12 on the big guy.
Slide forward. Hammer down.
Slide,
Holster.
hammer, holster.
Slide, hammer,
Slide forward. Hammer. Holster.
holster, slide, hammer. Back off the line.
12 rounds, 20 seconds on the big guy. Ready on the left, ready on the right. Ready on the firing line, 6 and 6 on the big guy. Strong hand only, do not cross yourself. Strong hand only on the big guy. 6 rounds, 9 seconds. The line is hot. With 6 rounds, load them up. The line is clear and cold, police brass and mag. Back to the 15-yard line.
Oh, you did? She's so good at that.
That's right here.
2 mags.
You need 2 mags. Slide, hammer,
Come up to the top there. This way, all you gotta do is sit.
6 rounds sitting, but draw first.
How much time is it?
6 rounds kneeling. 6 rounds left-hand barricade. 6 rounds right-hand barricade. All on the little guy. Ready on the left, ready on the right. Ready on the firing line, on the little guy. Draw first, then sit. Draw first, then sit.
Stand, yeah. So, we can, it doesn't matter which way you do it, whichever is more comfortable for you. So come back to your, use this as, there you go.
asking that. No, my SR-22 has a magazine.
Forward. Still too fast.
Oh, you're gonna watch and see how much time you got.
Yeah, no.
No.
It'll be like 30 seconds before they turn, right?
It's probably gonna be more like 45 seconds.
Got another chance?
The line is clear and cold, police brass and mag. 6 rounds, 12 seconds. On the big guy. Ready on the left, ready on the right. Ready on the firing line, 6 and 12, on the big guy. Yeah, that's how you set it. And the problem was somebody turned the damn thing off. Six, reload 6, 12 rounds, 30 seconds on the big guy. Ready on the left, ready on the right. Ready on the firing line, 6 and 6 on the big guy. 30 seconds. All shots on the little guy. Draw first, then sit. 6 shots sitting, 6 shots kneeling, 6 shots left hand barricade, 6 shots right hand barricade. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Take your time, watch your breathing, get your hits. And remember, full extension. Nobody's crowding the barricade. Ready on the left, ready on the right, ready on the firing line, on the little guy, on the little guy. Draw first, then sit. Done? Yep. Slide, hammer. Crafts in the air.
That's crazy.
See?
Whoa, that's crazy.
Good.
That's some good action.
That's, don't do selfies.
Yeah, that on global.
Slide forward, hammer down.
Slide.
Hold it. Hammer down, hold it.